What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add recipient in your Wise app. So once you're inside the Wise app, go ahead and tap your recipient at the bottom and you will see that you can either search for existing recipients. So if you know the name or the Wise tag or email, you can go ahead and you can enter that if you know that person. Now the next thing you can do is go ahead and manually add that person. So if you tap on add recipient, it will be asked to select a particular currency. So let's say if I want to add that person, for example, from Bangladesh, I can select that and I can go ahead and I can choose whether or not I want to search for that person Wise. Again, it will ask you to enter email, phone number, or the Wise tag, or you can simply go ahead and enter their bank details. So let's say I want to enter their bank details. I can simply tap on that. Here you can go ahead and you can say who's your recipient. You can say okay, could be myself or someone else, and then from here you want to go ahead and fill in all of these information. So what you want to do is enter that person email address if you have it. You want to choose that person full name that is on their account. You want to choose their bank details, and you also want to enter their account number. Once you do this, go ahead and it confirm. Now I've done that in the past and I have some people bank details, but for the purpose of security I will not disclose that. But I would recommend to you, once you add that person, go ahead and send a small amount. If it is successful, you will see that the payment go through. Other than that, if it fails, you will not be able to send money to that person, right? So if you had it successful, you'll be able to send to them, and I recommend send a small amount to test this. And that's it. So there is two options you can add for yourself, and this allows you to transfer money directly to your own account. The process is the same. You can basically choose your full name, bank details, branch, and your account number, and you will be able to transfer money from the Wise app to your personal bank account. Or if you're adding for someone else, just simply choose someone else and basically add their details.